let's talk about MC versus ME engine. So guys, in short, MC engine need more fuel. So mas magtaas yung consumption ng fuel sa MC engine. So in the ME engine guys, it is optimum fuel economy at all loads. So very efficient yung fuel ng ME engine. So guys, same structural parts as MC design and ME design. So yung MC components guys, mayroong chain drive, mayroong chain wheel, frame, chain box, on frame box. So mayroong camshaft with cams, so roller guides for fuel pump and exhaust valve. So with fuel pumps, exhaust valve, exhaust actuator, starting air distributor, and governor. Also have regulating shaft, mechanical lubricator, and local control stand. So yung sa MC engine guys, yung local control stand doon, manual pa talaga. So guys, difference sa ME engine, makita natin yung new components redesign. Meron siyang hydraulic power supply, yan yung HPS, yung hydraulic cylinder unit, yun yung HCU, yung engine control system, yun yung ECS, na dun yung starting air valves. So mayroon ng start and reversing sequences. So governor functions, auxiliary blowers, electrically propelled injections, that is EPIC, exhaust valve actuations, and exhaust valve crankshaft position sensing system, electronically controlled alpha lubricator, so local operation panel, LOP. So pindot-pindot na yun sa LOP guys. So the ME-C technology guys, main objectives: electronic control of fuel injection timings and profile, so exhaust valve timings, starting air, auxiliary blowers, speed and other auxiliary equipments to obtain optimum fuel economy at all loads, the flexible with respect to the present as well as a future emission, slow steaming mode, easy engine balancing, adjustability, so system integration, smokeless operation. So that's all guys, thank you.